Lupita! Hola, my name is Lupita and I love to cook. I hope you will enjoy watching me in the kitchen as we learn how to make some simple recipes. First, let's learn about safe cooking. Number 1, best way to avoid accidents is to learn how to use all your kitchen tools safely or have an adult help you. Number 2, make sure not to have loose clothing or your hair get in your way. You don't want to become part of the food, do you? Number 3, always pick up knives and kitchen tools by the handles. No joke, you can really get hurt. Number 4, when cooking, things can get very hot and build up steam. Always use caution when uncovering items. Number 5, water and electricity don't mix, so make sure to keep plugs away from water and away from stovetop. You don't want to be electrocuted, do you? Number 6, always remember to turn off all your appliances when you are finished and unplug when possible. Number 7, remember a clean cooking area keeps possible accidents from falling. You don't want to slip on any fallen liquids or foods. Now let's talk about food safety. Number 1, always wash your hands when you start and when you're handling raw meats, chicken or fish. Number 2, wash all your fruits and veggies even if they're organic or say pre-washed. Number 3, use clean cutting boards and have separate ones for raw meat and veggies. Number 4, I know you'll be tempted to try some foods, but never taste anything with raw uncooked eggs or raw meat. Number 5, always follow the amount of time needed to cook your foods to make sure it is done. Have a blessed day and always remember to be kind and loving to one another.